Today on the show, you're going to see all kinds of things happen.
Oh,
For
it's good fun.
I'm not the one that's out of control, but
Never.
somebody gets hit in the face with an ice cube, and it happens.
Wow.
Yes.
Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Ian
for you.
and Dan and Derek, those are us guys, are going to make for you a drink called the Midnight Stinger.
Yes.
So this should be interesting.
It's going to be good.
You think?
Oh, shit,
Oh,
yeah.
shit no.
It's going to be awesome.
This drink is equal parts bourbon and Fernet Branca with 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. Oh, we got that.
Yeah, it's going to be good. It's going to be a little bitter.
3/4 ounce of simple syrup. So it's a bourbon Fernet sour. We made the Commandant sour is a Fernet Branca cocktail.
It was.
Yeah.
And that was a riff when we were talking about cocktail
we made
balance.
that on the fly.
2-1-1.
2-1-1.
Quarter.
Watch my video. What?
No, the
actual
balance.
other drink.
Right, but I had a quarter of that.
Good call.
Yeah.
There's a cocktail. There's a show on 2-1-1
Wait, a quarter?
Up there.
up there.
Because it's a powerful, because it's a potent flavor.
He said equal Fernet to...
Yeah. 1 ounce Fernet, 1 ounce of bourbon.
Yeah.
Did I do that right?
I'm looking at it.
Oh, you know, I only had a half ounce of simple.
What the
Oh,
fuck are you making? Are you
It's
making a
3/4,
different drink?
3/4.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix this.
You can easily fix it by adding a 1/4 ounce.
Jeez, I hate these things.
I know.
I know. I hate
They
it.
pee all over the place. You got to get the squeeze bottles.
I
Just
had
for the
those
show.
ones. I had those ones.
We have
Um,
thingies for the show. He just never uses them.
Yeah, they're right there. I brought them over here.
You do the thingies on the show?
Things.
All the time. Where the hell are
That's crazy.
why I
We're
didn't know what
totally
to
going to
use.
jump cut this one.
I
I know he is. Or he's going to make something
right here.
explode.
These?
Oh yeah, I'm glad that. Yeah.
See, that's why I have these.
Yeah. That works.
Put them in there and then it pours easier.
That works.
Not
Well, we
cool.
don't need them now.
Well, yeah, but
Maybe you should buy them though.
yeah, I don't sell those.
What's the- oh.
I used to sell those, but nobody bought them, so I said, fuck it.
Well, maybe you can buy something else because of the coupon code.
2020?
Yeah. You know what?
What?
And then that's available till March 8th.
And I can save 20%?
Oh my
And also
God.
very
Who doesn't need new glasses for spring?
I need new glasses all
Because
the
you're
time.
going to have more people over your house, you're going to be making cocktails, and if you don't have the right glasses, you're going to look like an idiot.
Like that
No one wants to look like an idiot.
the glass we're using in this show, right there.
That's
available.
right. Do you want to get glass shamed in your own house?
No.
It's almost
That's
as
terrible.
It's almost that.
And Dan knows all about that.
I don't.
I know.
Because by spring, I will have improved my skills immensely.
What's your favorite tequila drink?
Me? What's our favorite
Yes.
tequila drink?
Rum.
Wrong answer.
Alcohol.
Okay. That doesn't qualify.
No.
I thought the statement stood by itself.
Favorite tequila
Straight
drink?
up tequila?
Oh,
Not straight.
I forgot what color the stuff was that I put in here. I'm like, well, that's dark. What the fuck?
What did I just make?
What did that do? I'm not.
What did we just do?
You guys
I
answer
don't
this
remember
too.
the last 10 minutes.
What is your favorite
Oh, that
tequila
is
drink?
poopy color.
See?
I would say
It's like
mine.
coffee.
Yeah.
He likes a Paloma
Or a
a
baby's
lot
butt.
because it's
It's
easy.
Palomas are easy. I mean, I don't know. Tequila's like
I want to say margarita.
margaritas, and
But
it's just
I
a
don't.
different riff in but it's a
always
different riff in a
Pink Cadillac
margarita.
margarita is okay. I can't think of
How about
Division
a
Bell's
Yeho
mezcal.
sour?
Huh?
How
I
about
pulled
a
out the
Yeho
Division Bell
sour?
a couple weeks ago,
Yeho
and then the
sour.
Apple TV died.
Yeah. Fucking thing. And Yeho sour?
It's not like a
We got a
margarita
shot of
with
this,
Yeho.
baby? I'm taking it.
Yeah, we should have a couple shots. And Yeho sour is fine, but I don't know. I still like
Oh,
it
yeah,
sour.
that- Smells.
Interesting.
Yes.
You said you were all excited, like you knew what you were getting into, and I was like, you don't know what you're getting into.
Oh.
Margarita, that's
When you're
good.
sliding into first and you feel something burst. Midnight
I like
stinger. Midnight stinger.
On the satin sheets. Imagine if the Midnight Stinger comes after the satin
Yeah.
sheets.
So if you put those two
After
drinks
the
on the
Mexican
menu
with
for
the
Valentine's
satin
Day
sheets.
menu,
Midnight
Yeah.
Stinger.
and they order different, one person orders one and the other person orders the other,
Midnight Stinger.
you know it's going to be a messy night.
Yeah.
That's anal. You're gonna drink it.
He just, Derek calls it out, just straight out. There's no sugarcoating that shit when Derek's there.
Literally.
Always better do it when the kids are out of the room.
Yes. Have you made a margarita?
Hello, kid.
This smells funny.
That's the margaritas we make are only on the rocks. We don't make crushed.
Blended margaritas, that's way too much work.
Yeah, no, they're always
And you're
on
gonna
the
lose the
rocks.
taste of tequila. I want
Yeah.
like
What do we make with tequila?
We make a lot of stuff with tequila. Hold on, I'll figure this out. But explain to me what that is all about.
That is. Okay,
I'm going to go... Here, I'm going to do a shameless plug.
Ice cutter.
Ice cutter.
Recipe.awesomedrinks.com. If I go to recipe.awesomedrinks.com and do an ingredient search for the word tequila, oh, look at it. It should have autocomplete. Oh, it has a lot of tequila. Tequila. What?
Not you, him.
What's he doing? Is he breaking shit again?
Throwing ice.
Oh.
No, please, no. Ow!
Paloma.
That was a good shot.
The Palomar. Passion fruit.
What do you think of the
cocktail,
drink?
Pink
It's
Cadillac.
interesting. It's got a weird flavor. It's
Pinky
snowing.
Gonzalez.
It's not bad. It's
The Fernet is very
Tequila
strong.
Sunrise.
Fernet's strong. It's got that like
I know you're not selling it.
licorice,
yet. You're like,
herby.
it's not bad,
I mean, I kind of like it because I like the sour bitter stuff,
My
and I like
voice
Fernet, but it's a
says
strong.
It's really bad.
it's a whiskey sour with
Fernet.
Fernet.
Hold on.
If you like Fernet, you'll definitely like it.
So, for those
don't
going,
like
what the
Fernet,
fuck are
you
you talking
It's
about?
good though. It like
It's a whiskey sour with eucalyptus.
sent me in the head.
Yeah, it squeezed on my hand on purpose.
So, oh my god, I'm gonna fucking. It's a whiskey sour with eucalyptus. If you've had eucalyptus before, this will make sense
Oh, that's
to you.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, a Fernet is a eucalyptus flavor.
It just makes the whiskey sour a little
Sour.
different.
Matador, Mayan Mule, Oaxacan Dead. We made that a bunch of times.
We don't need no stinking video.
Passion cocktail.
Who needs the video?
Monitor keeps
We got
dying.
this stuff.
So
Look
for the
at it.
people at home, the monitor keeps dying.
Oh, Jesus.
That's gonna leave a mark. So much here or here.
Jesus.
But really here. Yeah, right? That thing, the mic picked that one up. That's replayable. Stop.
Oh, Jesus.
That's gonna leave a mark.
What are you taking a picture of?
It's over now. I don't even know what happened. I'm sitting here. I got splashed with water.
I just got hit in the head with an ice cube.
I'm so sorry. I meant to
You sound so sorry.
She's just laughing at
True,
me.
that doesn't sound very
Yeah,
sorry.
besides-
That's the big one. That's the big one. Take it.
Pinky Gonzalez. It's a.
Now I need to put ice.
A Mai
What
Tai
you hit me with
tequila.
ice.
On the motherfucking nose.
on my motherfucking nose.
Oh no, I'm sorry. It's so
Tequila sour.
Yeah, wow, she got it right on the bridge.
She
Huh?
hit it right here.
It's
That's a good shot.
How do you even do that? You know, you're probably lucky. If it would hit you in your eye, it would probably hurt more. Or you would have been like, you would see like a white.
You could have gotten it in my
explosion.
mouth. Oh, jeez.
He's so sorry. Everybody, children, put the ice away.
All right.
I am just trying to do my job to get everybody.
Let's make the ball, because I'm throwing it at her.
This is why people think.
You can't make a ball out of ice cubes. You need a. That doesn't work.
Let's see what it does.
Nothing.
Think
It's
ready.
already
Look at
down.
that.
Oh,
Look how round
look
that
at it.
is.
It's round.
That's not
it in.
round.
You gotta put it in like this.
Put it in. Put it in.
Like this.
No, just put it in. Just leave it. Drop it. It's gonna make it round on the one side.
Our executive producer is Kyle Jorgensen. You can go to. Oh, this is recipe, by the way, was submitted by Stephen Foisey,
That hurt
by Sam
on my
Ross
nose.
at the bar Attaboy.
Jen,
Here's-
don't you be rewinding that so you can see what happened.
Do you see Stephen? He's saying, "How is Derek the calm one?" That's what's happening right now. You guys
What's
have
your
eclipsed
guys
me.
feeling on weed
All
and
right, time
alcohol?
to stop having fun.
It's all good.
He needs to garnish his eye.
So you know this is made by a bartender because it has Fernet Branca, and that's something only bartenders really use.
It's good. If you want like a little change up, if you want a little stinger, then you add it in. If you like it,
I wish I could say I don't like it. It's actually not that bad.
it's not bad.
The eucalyptus is
Did you try
interesting.
it? It is.
I'm okay with it.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah, you don't mind it either, right? It's different. But you have to like the eucalyptus.
Don't throw anything at me.
Can we fix the audio quality? How can I can yell louder? How is the audio quality broken? Coupon code. Did we already do this?
This show
2020?
has been brought to you by We Just Fucked Up.
See, my dad knows me as the instigator with the nephews, so.
AwesomeRace.com. Coupon code is 2020. Save 20% off until the end of the month.
It's
I don't know if
always
we mentioned that in this video. We might have at the beginning, but you can get these cool wide old-fashioned glasses over at the AwesomeDrinks.com. Get some ice cubes that we have in
Do you
here.
have a coupon code?
You're gonna sell those ice
2020.
cubes that you have in there?
Well, I was thinking like the maker that made them, like the ice cube
You're gonna
tray.
sell your own ice cube trays?
I was thinking of maybe they could buy their own new ones
That's a great idea.
from the awesome.
That makes a lot more sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because otherwise that's weird.
Yeah, it is. Unless you signed it or something, it's gonna
Yeah.
hang on somebody's wall. And,
Otherwise, it's like some weird Etsy store, and that's just weird.
Yeah.
Not
But you can get a knife there.
you can get knives at Etsy store.
audio is
is
echoey.
echoey. I don't know what that
Echoey.
is. That's interesting.
Roads.
R we echoing.
I don't know what that is, but I'm not doing it. That's it. I got nothing else because a lot of stuff happened that I wasn't always a part of because I was, I don't know, looking at my phone.
I can't believe you're
helping you
taking a
guys.
picture of that.
We gotta reset.
Give me that.
Let's reset.
Sidebar, more videos. Down below is the Austin Grace Bartender Starter Kit.
Broke her shoulder.
That's
We're
right.
teaching you how to drink.